Welcome back to the next adventure in our four-part series, Fun with Planning Analytics Workspace. In this segment, we are going to add calculations to a view in our Planning Analytics Workspace book. Once we add our calculation, I will show you how to easily integrate conditional formatting. So let's head over to Planning Analytics Workspace and dive right in. For this exercise, you are a financial analyst at an automotive company. You've been asked to provide details about last year's Q1 1.8-liter wagon and sedan models' performance to make decisions for this year's Q1 marketing promotions. To answer your manager's questions, you will need the 1.8-liter wagon number of units by country, by month, and Q1 average units. Additionally, you will need the 1.8-liter sedan Q1 units, sales, variable costs, and price. What we're looking at here is the example of the finished result that we're going to build. So let me jump right over here to a new tab, and I already have a view started that brings in some of the information that we're looking for. So the first thing that we want to do is define which model series vehicles that we want to have the information for. And if you remember correctly, we needed just the items with wagon. So we're only going to select those items and keep them here. So now that we have that done, we want to go and create a sum of these items. That is simply by going into create the calculation, and we're going to summarize that information. So immediately you now see that we've created that total. So now the next thing we are looking to do is create that Q1 average. That is as simple as highlighting the months that we want. We're going to go back into that create calculation and we're going to select average. So now we have that information. If we wanted to, we can bring our geography down along the side. The next thing, after we create that calculation, I want to have some conditional formatting put in here. I'm going to go right here into create conditional format. I'm going to add a new layer here. So the first thing I want is this is, if it's greater than the value 100, well, that's a positive. I want my icon set to show that that is green. Now the next one is maybe if it's less than or equal to 100, well, we're not too keen on those numbers, so we're going to make that red. So once I have them designated, I'm going to save this and it'll immediately apply to my report. So that was the first set of information that our manager asked for. Now, the next set was looking at the sedan series, and now we have the price, the unit, the sales, and the variable costs. When we look at this information, some of these items we can determine are a calculation. So we can't do a simple summation here. In this instance, I want to go in here and under my summarize all, and I'm using aggregate because of those values that are created based off of a calculation or even values that were a part of a percentage that would not naturally sum together and get the right answer. So we could see here that price is not just the addition of these two, but it follows that calculation. This is exactly what our manager was looking for to help drive our Q1 marketing promotions for the coming year. I hope you found this informative. Please join me for our upcoming segments on how to create a book within Planning Analytics Workspace, as well as how to create a visualization within a book. For Planning Analytics, my name is Bill Pomerano, the Worldwide Technical Sales Leader. Thank you